Hey Techyo, ready to install Windows 11 on your brand new PC or fresh SSD? I've got you covered. Let's make it happen. First up, you need a PC with internet access and a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB capacity. Head over to Microsoft.com/software-download and select Windows 11. Click on Create Windows 11 Installation Media and hit Download Now to snag the Windows Media Creation tool. Plug in your USB flash drive and run the tool. Accept the software license terms, choose your preferred language, and select Windows 11. Opt for USB flash drive as the media type. Make sure your USB drive has at least 8 GB capacity. Select your USB drive from the list and proceed. The tool will create your installation media in a few minutes. Alright, before we start the installation, make sure only the drive you're installing Windows on is connected. This avoids any accidental data loss on other drives. Plug in the USB drive and boot your PC. If it doesn't boot from the USB, enter the BIOS by pressing the delete key during startup. Navigate to the boot menu, set the USB drive as the first boot option, save changes, and restart. You'll land on the Windows setup screen. Choose your language, time, and keyboard settings, then click Next and Install Now. Enter your product key if you have one, or skip to enter it later. Select the Windows 11 edition that matches your product key, accept the license terms, and choose Custom Install. Carefully pick the correct drive for installation to avoid data loss. Windows will now install on your PC, restarting a few times. Once installation is complete, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your system. Select your country, keyboard layout, and connect to the internet. Sign in to your Microsoft account, set up a PIN, and review privacy settings. Skip any optional settings and complete the setup. Post-installation, activate Windows if you didn't enter your product key earlier. Open the Start menu, type Activate, and go to Activation Settings. Enter your product key if needed. If you removed other drives for installation, shut down your PC and reconnect them. Use disk management to initialize and format any new drives. And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows 11. If you run into any issues, drop a comment below for help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the video description for more info. See you in the next video.